Had a kid describe to me one time about the way school was for her. She said, "Miss, I feel like I'm eating a sandwich, but I keep biting it and then biting it and biting it, and then a new sandwich comes and I take a bite out of that and a bite out of that, but I never get a chance to actually swallow it and digest it. And I'm just like chewing and chewing and chewing all day, but I can't get it into me." And I thought, what a really sophisticated way to talk about it, for a 15-year-old kid to say, "I'm chewing on stuff all day, but I'm not digesting anything." Because we keep throwing stuff at you so quickly, and we don't give you any transition time that you never get to digest. So imagine just taking bites and bites of multiple sandwiches and never getting a chance to swallow. Eventually, nothing sticks. Nothing goes into your system. So even though we have these pacing guides and we have these heavy curriculums on our desk, we still need to be able to remember that we are teaching children, we are teaching learners. We are not teaching science, math, social studies, language, whatever it might. We are teaching people. And brains have not changed over all of evolution, other than the fact that technology is rewiring some of those synapses a little bit. We're still made the same. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.